The growing wave of leaks, insider chatter, regulatory hints, and early prototype sightings surrounding the DJI Avata 3 suggest that this upcoming FPV drone is shaping up to be far more than a routine refresh, positioning itself as one of the most disruptive FPV releases DJI has ever attempted, not only redefining immersive drone flight, but also landing squarely at the intersection of cutting-edge imaging technology, high-speed aerial performance, and global political controversy, as rumors now point toward a dramatically upgraded camera system featuring a much larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, enhanced low-light sensitivity, higher dynamic range, and true cinematic-grade video capture that could rival mirrorless setups, while simultaneously pushing FPV flight boundaries with alleged top speeds approaching 140 km per hour, redesigned propulsion systems, refined aerodynamics, and a new 4-blade propeller configuration designed to deliver smoother throttle response, increased thrust efficiency, and tighter control during aggressive maneuvers, all while maintaining the ducted safety-focused frame that made the Avata lineup appealing to both beginners and professionals seeking cinematic FPV footage in confined spaces, urban environments, and dynamic tracking shots. When viewed in the context of the Avata series legacy, this evolution feels deliberate, as the original Avata carved out a unique niche by blending cinewhoop stability with immersive FPV freedom, breaking away from traditional freestyle-only drones, while the Avata 2 refined stabilization, usability, and image quality without fundamentally changing the platform, setting the stage for the Avata 3 to act as the true generational leap where DJI's FPV ecosystem matures into a professional-grade creative tool capable of satisfying filmmakers, YouTubers, action sports creators, and commercial operators alike, especially as competition intensifies from DIY FPV builds and rival manufacturers pushing open systems and modular flexibility. Leaked imagery and early reports further indicate noticeable design refinements, including a visibly larger camera housing likely engineered to support the rumored sensor upgrade, a rear-mounted battery layout that improves weight distribution and flight balance while freeing internal space for cooling and processing hardware, a more subdued and professional exterior finish replacing earlier high-visibility accents, and subtle structural changes that improve airflow and durability during high-speed flight, all of which suggest DJI is prioritizing both performance optimization and real-world usability rather than cosmetic tweaks alone. On the performance front, the Avata 3 is expected to deliver not only raw speed but also extended flight endurance rumored to land between 23 and 25 minutes depending on conditions, a meaningful gain in the FPV world where every additional minute unlocks more creative passes and reduces downtime, while the integration of DJI's latest O4 digital transmission system promises ultra-low latency, improved signal stability, and extended range up to 13 kilometers under ideal conditions, ensuring a more immersive, reliable experience even in RF-dense environments, particularly when paired with next-generation FPV goggles and updated motion controllers designed to lower the learning curve without sacrificing precision. Software enhancements are also expected to play a major role, with refined rock-steady stabilization, improved Horizon's steady algorithms, enhanced return-to-home intelligence, smarter fail-safe behavior, and more responsive flight tuning that balances cinematic smoothness with high-energy responsiveness, while the camera system itself is rumored to support 4K recording at high frame rates up to 120 FPS, delivering buttery slow motion, cleaner night footage, improved color depth, and greater flexibility in post-production workflows for creators focused on professional results. Beyond pure imaging, the Avata the 3rd of May introduced deeper intelligent features such as advanced subject tracking, improved obstacle awareness through omnidirectional sensing, faster wireless file transfer, streamlined mobile editing tools, and tighter integration with DJI's software ecosystem, reinforcing its appeal as an all-in-one FPV solution rather than a niche hobbyist device. Though all of these advancements appear to come with a premium positioning strategy, as pricing leaks suggest the standalone drone could land in the mid to high range while bundled kits including goggles, controllers, and multiple batteries could climb well above previous generations. potentially reaching into four-figure territory depending on configuration, signaling DJI's confidence that the Avata 3's performance, camera quality, and usability justify its elevated status in the prosumer and professional FPV market. However, no discussion of the DJI Avata 3 feels complete without addressing the growing uncertainty surrounding its availability in the United States, as increasing regulatory pressure, political scrutiny, and lobbying from domestic drone manufacturers have cast doubt over whether DJI's next FPV flagship will see an official US release, creating a stark contrast between potential global availability and regional restrictions that could force American pilots to rely on imports or alternative platforms, fueling debate over whether these limitations stem from legitimate security concerns or broader economic and competitive tensions, especially as DJI continues to dominate the drone industry through aggressive innovation and unmatched value, making the Avata 3 not just a technological product but also a symbol of how geopolitics can influence consumer access to advanced technology. Taken as a whole, the DJI Avata 3 represents a pivotal moment for FPV drones, blending cinematic ambition, high-speed exhilaration, intelligent safety systems, and next-level imaging into a single platform that could redefine expectations for immersive aerial content creation. While its fate in certain markets underscores the increasingly complex relationship between innovation, regulation, and global competition, ensuring that regardless of where it ultimately launches, the Avata 3 will be remembered not just for how it flies, but for the larger conversation it sparks across the drone industry, creative communities, and the future of FPV technology itself.